Hi guys, it's me, Xbox Ben, and it's about to be Christmas, so I'm just playing some dishwasher, and sorry I have not made a video for a very long time, so I'm really sorry, because there's been school, and stuff. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Okay, let's go. This is Dishwasher Vampire Smile. I've never actually played the first game, but I think I will like this one better. What is the jumping field broken? Whoa! X to attack, A to jump, B to grab, right, not right, RS to evade. Oh, I can jump, I forgot. Oh, very first boss! Oh yeah. Dude, I'm gonna murder you. I heard that this game has a lot of blood, and it's starting to show. Like, just look at the graphics. It might look very dark, but but the graphics just look bloody. I got them cash. And I heard that the creators of this game are the creators of Charlie Murder, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna try to finish the game, and yeah. It's like, okay, I'm gonna give 2 seconds. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. As it turns out, I would rot in jail. Okay, let's go to the bed. I can't jump. What was that? Whoa. I'm like a crazy mad woman in a little hospital thing. Okay. It's getting weird, but we'll play on! Because I'm a man, and I love making videos. I'm Xbox Ben. I never get scared. Except for Slenderman The Arrival. That thing really is scary. Well, I killed everyone on my dream. That's cool. Let's keep going. Whoa! My first normal enemy. Oh, a one shot. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. Suck on. Oh. 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 Ooh. Spicy dodge. Oh. Ooh. Spicy dodge. Spicy dodge. I'm so good. But like in 5 minutes, I'm probably gonna die. Oh, that was awesome. Oh my god, suck on dead. Suck on dead. What does B do? Oh crap. Hey, what the heck's wrong with you? Why are you killing my friend? Ah! Get over here, you son of a freak. Stop killing my friend. You too. Stop killing my friend. You already killed my friend, but stop killing my friends. Stop killing my friends. I can do flip. Roll, 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 barrel roll, do a barrel roll, do a barrel roll. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Looks like I'm in the main control room, I think. It's madness out there, but there's a perfectly good moon below me. Let's find an escape pod. I'll start by backtracking. Enemy. Oh, one of these things again. Whoa! I just turned into like some red thing. I passed through that gate. I feel like my body was ripped into a mist of blood, chucked through space, and hastily thrown together. What is happening to me? I'm just reading it, so if you guys can't read it on the video, because I have a very poor camera or a recording system, I'm just really using a camera. Hey, bro, get out of here. Stop killing my friend. Stop. Wombo combo. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Boom. We mom bada boom pow. 18 hits. 1,000. Oh! So much points. We mom bada boom. Oh, sorry for the doorbell. Someone's at the door. And I am gonna have to keep episode shorts. Some of my episodes short, so I can make more videos. More videos, more fun. More fun means more fun. Okay. At the first boss, we're gonna see if we can beat it. Or there it is. The Gowler, dealer of the crooked justice. Let's go, boy. Come on. Oh, pure dodge. Nope. Pure dodge. Bam, bam, bam. Weem, wham, bada boom. Pow. Weem. Whoa. Whoa. Ah. Weem. Weem, bada boom. Dude, this guy sucks. Bam, bam, bam. We want bada boom. Pow! I got a sword. I'm kind of getting how to. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I will see you tomorrow for another video. And I am Xbox Ben, the most awesomest guy ever. Goodbye.